Hi everyone, we're here to take the 10 question quarantine challenge. We were challenged by two channels. One is seeouRView and the other one is Eat, Sleep, and Repeat.
Hey, I'm Mel.
And I'm Nettie.
And together we are Living Free Zip Code-less, living in our 40-foot diesel pusher named Freedom.
Along with our Norwegian forest cat named Jack.
And please follow us on our
Living Free Journeys.
Okay, and the first question is,
how many rows of TP do we have at this given moment?
rows of Tootsie Pops?
No, honey, rows of toilet paper.
Well, I guess we're gonna have to go see.
3. Oh boy, we're in trouble.
Okay, so question number 2 is, what have been our biggest challenge since the lockdown?
The biggest challenge that we see is staying on a healthy keto diet. That's what we've been on for over a year, and that's been our biggest challenge.
Yep, absolutely.
The next question, number 3, is where are we currently parked or docked?
Currently parked in Floresville, Texas, southeast of San Antonio, and we've been here for 3.5 years, and we'll take a little bit of see what that's like.
Yeah.
Okay, so question number 4 is, what have we done without recently?
I think we haven't been able to travel, so we've basically been parked, and we haven't gone to any kind of campsites.
Right.
Yeah.
We'll show you a little bit of that too.
Yeah. Okay, question number 5 is, what are we most grateful for?
I would say family and friends.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's our family and friends. We're really grateful to having our family and our friends.
And we'll insert a little clip to that so you can see what it's like with our family and friends. So number 6 question is, what do we miss the most?
We miss going out to eat. I think a lot of people do in this community, and just in general, that's what we really miss, is being able to go out and have a good meal.
I miss going to the restaurants, like you're saying, and ordering a nice juicy steak
Oh yeah.
with a baked tater.
Okay, question number 7 is, how long has it been since we've been at a campsite?
That would be March of this year.
March of this year.
2020, when we went up to Athens, Texas to visit
Diary of a Family.
Diary of a Family. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
That was a wonderful time.
Absolutely.
Yep.
We thoroughly enjoyed that. Okay, question number 8. What is our favorite quarantine food?
It is spaghetti, absolutely.
Spaghetti for
Spaghetti.
breakfast, lunch, and dinner, without a doubt.
Yep. Okay, question number 9 is how are we exercising or doing workouts?
And let's just show you that one.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, question number 10, last final question is, who are we challenging? We can challenge whoever is out there and hasn't done it yet. If you feel like doing it, that would be awesome. We're looking forward to seeing that. So just tag us, let us know that you're
So
going to do
whoever's
it.
up for the challenge,
Right.
exactly. We're more than welcome to have you do the challenge.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
And thanks for stopping by, taking a look at our 10 challenge questions, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.